Today I am going to share our cottage bathroom makeover with you guys. I'm going to take you on a little tour to share all the design details and a little bit of my inspiration of how we turn this dated bathroom into a cozy and inviting cottage space. So we had not touched this bathroom since moving in about 2.5 years ago. But since this is on our main floor, we use this bathroom a lot. Kids are in and out washing hands and going to the bathroom all day, and it's also the bathroom that guests use when they come to visit. So I really wanted this little space to feel a little bit more welcoming and beautiful for our guests and our family. Here is a little before tour of our bathroom. As you can see, it is a very small footprint. Thankfully, we do have one window in this bathroom, so it allows some natural light in. The flooring is the same LVP flooring that is all throughout our home. It's this dark espresso color. The walls were a blue color that was very popular, I think, in the early 2000s. One of the things the previous owners put into this house is this wainscoting. They put it in almost every single room. The pedestal sink is very small and had no counter space. My first instinct was to add wallpaper above the wainscoting, but I really felt that the faucet and pedestal sink needed to be updated to really get this bathroom looking the way I wanted it to. So I decided to just paint instead. I definitely went outside of my comfort zone with the paint for this bathroom. I decided to try the color drenching trend that is really popular. Color drenching, if you don't know, is where you paint everything from the ceiling to the baseboards all in the same color. What it does is in a small space, it can make it feel bigger, it can make the ceilings feel taller, and it gives a sense of drama to the space. I chose Sherwin-Williams Oyster Bay, which is a beautiful muted green color, and when it's color drenched, it feels very welcoming and calming in this bathroom. After painting everything, I was hoping that the wainscoting would kind of blend in and disappear a little bit, but I felt like it was still looking very farmhousey style. We came up with the idea of just trimming the inside of the wainscoting boxes with a little bit of trim. And this, I feel like, just completely transforms the look. It really makes it feel more cottagey and traditional style instead of that farmhouse look. So after painting everything, I realized that the flooring was so noticeable. This flooring is a dark espresso color, and it was just not creating the look that I wanted for this bathroom. So we decided to try out Vinyl Floor Pops by Chris Loves Julia. I chose the gray and white marble for a very clean look. These look amazing. They feel really nice underfoot. And I think that they just add such a beautiful layer of pattern into this cottage bathroom. These are watertight if you install them properly. And then I also caulked around the baseboards to make sure we didn't have any water splashing under the tiles. Overall, this was a very budget-friendly makeover, but we did splurge on a pedestal sink and a new faucet. I love the sink that we found from Wayfair. It has very traditional lines. It has a little countertop space, which is perfect for setting the soap dispenser. And if we have guests over, I can put a candle or some flowers there as well. I also love that this sink has a little bit of a backsplash. It's great with kids. We don't get any water dripping behind the sink. The other splurge we made was this beautiful English-inspired faucet in a polished nickel. Chrome and nickel finishes are often used in country and cottage homes, and I felt like it was a more timeless finish to choose for this bathroom. I wanted to mix metals in this bathroom because it does create more of a layered, timeless look. And what I love about the polished nickel is that it has warm undertones. So unlike the chrome, it really blends well with brass accents too. My favorite design detail in this whole bathroom makeover is definitely the pleated sink skirt. My inspiration for this whole cottage bathroom makeover was seeing a resurgence of these historical sink skirts in design recently. They were often found in country and cottage homes to hide piping and also to create a little hidden storage. I knew that this would be the perfect element to create the cottage look I was after. I found a beautiful block print fabric from Etsy. Block print fabrics are very common in English design, and I feel like this just brings in such a beautiful layer of pattern and texture to the bathroom. It also creates a little hidden storage for us. We can hide some toilet paper under there as well as the cleaning brush. I was also able to make a little cafe curtain with the remaining fabric. What I love about the cafe curtain is that it lets in the max amount of natural light for us while still giving us plenty of privacy in this little bathroom. Because we don't get a lot of natural light in this bathroom, I was really hoping to find a double light fixture for above the sink. I was able to get this light at a local antique shop for only $36. I absolutely love the brass finish and the milk glass shades. They give a really beautiful soft diffuse lighting in this bathroom. The mirror was a lucky find on Facebook Marketplace. I was going back and forth between a gold gilded mirror and a wood tone mirror. Ultimately, I felt like this wooden tone really fit the cottage look I wanted. For the towel hook and the toilet paper holder, I kept with that polished nickel finish. The door handle and the outlet switch covers, I went with a unlacquered brass. To complete the look in this bathroom, I added a few art prints over the toilet. I had thrifted these frames a while back and then added some art prints into them. And so I felt like this was the perfect little addition over the toilet to complete our cottage bathroom. Okay, guys, thank you so much for joining me on this little tour. I am excited to hear what you think of our cottage bathroom makeover. Please subscribe so I can continue to make videos like this for you, and I will see you next time.